James Joseph Larrañaga is an American college basketball coach and the head men's basketball coach of the University of Miami, a position he has held since 2011. Previously, he served as the head men's basketball coach at American International College from 1977 to 1979, Bowling Green State University from 1986 to 1997, and George Mason University from 1997 to 2011, where he coached the Patriots to 13 consecutive winning seasons and became a media sensation during the Patriots' improbable run to the Final Four of the 2006 NCAA Division I men's basketball tournament. Larrañaga won several National Coach of the Year awards in 2013 and has won over 600 games as a head coach. Growing up in the Bronx, one of 6 children, Larrañaga attended Archbishop Molloy High School in Queens, where he starred on the basketball varsity under coach Jack Curran, graduating in 1967. He went on to play basketball at Providence College. He was the basketball team captain as a senior, 1970-71, leading Providence College to a 28 record and a NCAA appearance. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.